In this video, you will learn how to calculate discount rate and discounted price in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here I have the data about the starting price and discount percentage. By using this data, I have calculated discount value and price after discount. So let's learn how to calculate discount value and price after discount in Microsoft Excel. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. In a separate sheet, I have already entered the data to save time. Firstly, you can see here I have two column data. First column shows the starting price and second column shows the discount in percentage. I will use this data to calculate discount value as well as price after discount. Firstly, you will learn how to calculate discount value. Select the cell where you are interested to display the result. I will select this one. After selecting the cell, put equal sign. After that, select starting price, multiply by discount percentage. After that, press enter. Now this one is the discount value. We have successfully calculated discount value by using this data. You don't need to apply this formula for individual rows. Select this one where you have already applied the formula. After that, place your cursor at the corner. When plus sign appears, drag it down to calculate the discount value for remaining rows. Now our second task is to calculate price after discount. Select the cell. I will select this one. After selecting this cell, put equal sign. Select starting price minus parenthesis. Again select this starting price. After that, multiplication sign. Multiply by this discount percentage. Select this cell. Close the parenthesis. I will repeat this one. Equal sign. Starting price minus parenthesis. Again starting price cell. Multiply by this discount percentage. After that, close the parenthesis and press enter key. Now you don't need to apply this formula for individual rows. Simply select this cell where you have already applied the formula. Place your cursor at the corner. When plus sign appears, drag it down to calculate the price after discount for remaining rows. Now you can see here we have successfully calculated discount value as well as price after discount in Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.